your glory fall down. May I never lose of your presence. May I always stand in awe of who you are. All the beauty and the gift of your friendship.